Have Facebook ads became more of a liability than an asset to you helping you on your marketing journey? Have you noticed that the cost per click to generate engagement or conversion for lead generation is higher with less return of results of your investment? If so, in this video, I have this new platform that I came across that will help you do the same thing as Facebook ad, but give you a better return of investment, let alone give you a better bang for your buck for each dollar that you spend. Today we are on this website. It is called speedppc.com, which stands for pay per click if you're not aware of marketing terms. And I'm going to give you a brief rundown of what this website has available to offer for you and how this can help you on your marketing journey. So let's get into it. As you can see, build perfect pay-per-click campaigns a second. Stop doing PPC the old-fashioned way. Become superhuman. You can create an account right here. As you can see, you can try it out. No credit card is required. So fast it's hard to believe. Stop wasting your precious time. Create insanely targeted campaigns in minutes, not days. As where you have to make Facebook ads, you have to wait a minimum of a few hours before your ad campaign is approved. Forget spreadsheets. Stop battling with spreadsheets. Create high-performing campaigns effortlessly with Speed PPC. Alright, so these are the platforms that is affiliated. Shopify uses this to help run their pay-per-click. eHarmony uses this. Career Builder, Intuit uses this. So this is what the big platformers are using to run their PPC along with Facebook. Says you can save time. You don't need a big team or loads of time to dramatically scale your PPC campaign. All you need is a little cunning automation. Improved quality score helps you automatically give people exactly what they're looking for, the results. Increased traffic. Looking to drive more traffic to your site, to your website. Speed PPC removes the tedious aspects of building fantastically targeted campaigns to drive better quality traffic that turn into buyers. Lift conversion rates. When you give your visitors exactly what they're looking for, they end up buying more. So let's scroll back up to the top. First thing I want to show you is their campaign builder. Now with Speed PPC campaign builder, shifts loads of time. Let's see. As you can see over here on the right, you'll type in the campaign type, which is the name of what you're looking doing. Grouping method, targeting section. So it looks like they're affiliated with Google AdWords, so you can also integrate that into the marketing campaign. Then as we come down here, you can bid on keywords. You can type in the keywords, as many as you would like to bid on. Then you can put in the negative keywords, which is like free or other variations of keywords of people who's not looking to spend money. You can also integrate that in there. So that's just one part of the campaign builder. Now we're going to go down to the keyword research that Speed PPC offers. And as you can see, as the example shows, it says cycling coaching. So if you were to use the Speed PPC website, you get the keyword, you get the sweet spot. So this is like the ranking in between of where if you was able to bid, depending on how much you wanted to bid, this is the average spot of where you will end up in the search engine results. Here we have the search volume. So this is the available monthly results of what's being searched monthly for the keyword that you're inputting. Here is the CPC, which stands for cost per click, or cost could be conversion per click, but I don't want to confuse you, so let's just say cost per click. Then you have the competition of how many others are bidding on this keyword, followed by trends, which is affiliated with Google. So Google Trends, so it'll show you the rise of this keyword. Is it seasonal? Is it hot right now? Is it upcoming, or is it going on a downhill trend? And it says keywords are the lifeblood of any search campaign. At any given point of time, pretty much everyone is missing out on good traffic and profits by not bidding on all the keywords they should be. Speed PPC helps ramp your campaign with 4 different keyword research tools. These allow you to go wide, laterally to find adjacent keywords that's similar to what you've been on probably should be targeting. So they also give you keyword recommendations to go along with your keywords. It also allows you to go deep on keywords, explore all the variations within a single keyword theme. You can even get wild with our brainstorming tools to generate fresh ideas for campaign domination. Finding those new keyword golden nuggets is simple with Speed PPC. Now, we get to come to why I really want to show you this website, which is the competitor analysis. This is what really sold me and wanted me to make a video on this for you. You're able, by using Speed PPC, you can input your competitor's website to see the keywords that they're already bidding on. And as you can see down here, it will show you AdWords. So the keywords that they're spending on Google and the organic keywords, which giving them naturally search engine optimization, aka SEO, to their website. And you're able to implement, and I don't want to say copy, but steal those keywords and put that into your own website so that you can begin to get organic traffic. Or if you're looking to do CPC, you can bid on them same keywords and rank on the same page as them and possibly steal that traffic as well. So it says their competitor analysis tool monitors 120 million plus keywords, over 46 million plus domains to give you the intelligence you're looking for. When you can see a competitor been on same keywords for a long period of time, you have to assume that it works for them. Their Speed PPC competitor analysis tool will look at what you're bidding on and compare to what your competitors are bidding on, and then show you the gaps. The cool thing, you can do both their keywords and ads, so you can also see the ads of what they're bidding on too, and that can ultimately give you the best return of investment and keeps you aware of where you stand next to your competitor. So I know you think all this sounds great, but how much will this cost me? So let's get straight into that. Let's load up the pricing for Speed PPC. Now, as you can see, let my computer load up. Alright, cool. So they have two options. They have an annual, which is yearly fee, and it says you can save $198. Let's start with this. For the annual, that's $699.30. It's on sale normally $1,000 per year, so you're saving roughly $300 if you was to go with the yearly option. You get unlimited campaigns, unlimited keywords, all features included, plus you get up to 3 users per account. And over here you have the monthly option, which is $70, which is normally $100, which you get unlimited campaigns, unlimited keywords, all features included, 3 users per account. Both of these are on sale right now, and they also have an agency plan, but it looks like you have to contact them to get that option. But let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know how your Facebook ads, what has the process been for you? Is Facebook ads giving you more return of your investment for your money, or you just feel like you're wasting money? As I continue to get better in Facebook ads, I will upload videos to help y'all structure that. Currently, I'm running Facebook ads right now. My results have been more positive for the most part, but I still got a lot of tweaking to do before I feel comfortable actually making videos and giving you my advice on how you can better your Facebook ads. But let me know in the comments below. Is Speed PPC something that you're looking to get involved in or looking to try? Have you tried other platforms to get traffic to your affiliate offer, e-commerce products, blogging, whatever journey or niche that you're in? Leave a comment below. Definitely make sure to like this video, help support the channel, and if you're not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you hit that red button, hit that notification bell so you can receive daily videos. Yes, daily videos like this every day to help you get better along your course and shorten your learning curve so you can begin financial freedom, making money on your own time, passive income, the lifestyle that you want to live, and best importantly, becoming your own boss and in control of your own time. I appreciate you spending your time with me. As always, this is me, the friend and mentor, MrDavinci, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. There will also be a link to Speed PPC below in the description. Definitely click it, check it out. I will not receive any type of commission for this. Again, I'm just doing this to help y'all out. Appreciate you spending your time with me. As always, MrDavinci, signing off. See you in the next video.